Almost 6 years ago to the day, a young man from Indianola, Iowa, Dave Grassley, became one of the first young people to die from the effects of smoking synthetic marijuana, or K2.
Yesterday was the 6th anniversary of our son David's death as a result of synthetic cannabinoids. After smoking the drug, David started to become very agitated, so they took him outside to walk him around and get some fresh air. He told the boys he felt like he was in hell. And I want to stress the significance of that statement because as a Christian young man, hell represented the very worst place David could ever imagine. The police investigation into his death also concluded that David was not suicidal and that he had had a severe reaction to the drug. We learned these drugs can totally take over your mind and body, and you are powerless to do anything.
David's parents have since become outspoken advocates for education, awareness, and action against the menace of synthetic drugs.
As we visit communities and schools throughout Iowa and talk to others around the country, I continue to be amazed that after 6 years, there are so many who have never heard of these drugs. As a parent, how do you talk to your kids about things you don't even know about? We need to start educating parents in our communities on the dangers of these synthetic drugs. I know the war on drugs is not a popular phrase to use today, but for those of us fighting in the trenches, I don't know what else to call it. We are in a battle for our children, grandchildren, schools, and our communities.
We need to take a hard look at whether law enforcement has tools needed to protect the public from these synthetics.